at peace, stress free, let it be.
Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel, or welcome to my channel if you're new here. My name's Ashley, and today we have a kind of chaotic but like hopefully fun video. So the world is just kind of like chaotic right now. I feel like life in general is just chaotic. So what better than a chaotic video to go with that? This video idea was actually inspired by a TikTok that I saw. I don't think I saved it, I couldn't find it. It was basically this guy, and he had like a dice or like die, and he wrote out all of the clothes in his closet, and he would roll the die, and whatever it landed on, he would make an outfit out of that. So that's what we're gonna do. I'm gonna be styling 3 random outfits. I wrote down the majority of things in my closet, up to 20 things for each item, and then I have things like, am I gonna wear a tank top or a short sleeve shirt or like a sweater, you know? So I have some variety, I have a lot of options, and I think that this will be really fun. This will also be very different from my other styling videos just because it is random. I feel like my other styling videos are pretty like put together and, what's the word? I don't know, just like organized, I guess. Like they make sense. But I think that this is gonna be so fun because it could come with like the most ridiculous outfits. I have some basics in my closet, but a lot of my pieces are like colorful prints, like just fun pieces. And so I try to include as many of those pieces on the list as possible and as few basics as possible, just to make it a little bit more fun and see what we come up with. So let's roll the dice for our first outfit and see what we come up with. Okay, so I have my list of everything that I'm gonna need for my outfits. So here, can you read that? So here the first choice that we're gonna have to make is pants, shorts, or a skirt. That'll be 1, 2, or 3. And we have all of these pants, shorts, and skirts. And then for the top, we're gonna choose either a sweater, a hoodie, or a shirt. So we have all of these options. Then I even have different hairstyles. So we have all these different hairstyles. And then when we roll for the shirt, if it's a regular shirt and not like a sweater or a hoodie, it could be a long sleeve shirt, a 3/4 sleeve shirt, a t-shirt, a short sleeve shirt, or a tank top. And then this is if I'm going to add a jacket, it's either 1 for yes or 2 for no, and these are the jacket options. And then all the different bags and all the different shoes. And we have dice. So for the ones that go up to like 1, 2, or 3 for the choices, I'm just gonna use the 6 one because we have a better chance of rolling 1, 2, or 3. And then this one goes up to 20, and all of my choices have at most 20. So those are the 2 that we're gonna use for this. So now we're gonna roll for the first outfit, either 1, 2, or 3, pants, shorts, or skirt. 1. Okay, so it's gonna be pants. And then 1 through 20, what kind of pants we're gonna wear? 18, light skinny jeans, okay. Okay, and then 1, 2, or 3, sweater, hoodie, or shirt. 5. 2, we're gonna wear a hoodie. And 1 through 15, what hoodie we're gonna wear? Oh, that went all the way over there. It was also on 16, so 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, that's gonna be a really basic outfit. Okay, and then 1 through 16, how we're gonna wear our hair. 12, a bandana. And then we don't need to do a shirt because it's a hoodie. The jacket is only if it's a shirt. So then we're gonna go to bag, 1 through 10, 16, 8. Okay, so there's our bag. And then shoes, 1 through 20. Okay, it landed over there, but I didn't move it. It landed on 11. So Air Force Ones. This is a really basic outfit. All right, so that's our first outfit. Let's go get it ready. Light skinny jeans. A blue Travis Scott sweatshirt. This is such a basic outfit. A bandana on the top. I think we're gonna go with the white one. Bag that's out there. And then shoes, we're gonna wear Air Force Ones. That's such a basic outfit. I'm gonna put it on and I'll see you out there. terrible. It's just like, I don't know, just really basic, like laid back, like the Air Forces, the skinny jeans, sweatshirt, you know, just like a normal bag. Honestly, if I still wore skinny jeans all the time, I would probably wear this outfit, maybe minus the bandana. I'd probably have my hair in like a ponytail or something, but yeah, it's not a bad outfit, just, I don't know, just basic, I guess. Now for our second outfit. 1 through 3, pants or a skirt. 6. 2, we're gonna wear shorts. And then 1 through 9, what shorts we're gonna wear. 7. So that is long black shorts for our second outfit. 1 through 3, sweater, hoodie, or shirt. 5. 6. 1, we're gonna wear a sweater. And then 1 through 10, which sweater we're gonna wear. 11. 16. 14. 4, okay, pink sweater. Okay, and then how are we gonna wear our hair? 1 through 16. That landed on 11. So our pink bucket hat. Okay, and then we got a sweater, so we don't need to do a shirt for this one or a jacket. So then the bag, 9. And then shoes, 1 through 20. 17. Colored Converse. So let's go put that on. Long black shorts. So that's these. Pink sweater. Pink bucket hat. White backpack. This is more gray than white, but whatever. Okay, white backpack. And my colored Converse. So we got our second outfit. I'm gonna put it on and I will see you out there. Okay, again, I mean, not the worst outfit. I mean, like, it could be worse, right? I think the only thing is that this pink does not match this pink. I think for like fall, or maybe even like spring, I would probably wear this outfit, maybe minus the bucket hat. I mean, not a terrible outfit. I don't hate it. Pretty good random outfit. It's cute, it's cute. It could work. Okay, 1 through 3. 3, we're gonna wear a skirt. 1 through 9, which skirt we're gonna wear. 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, 1 through 3, sweater, hoodie, or shirt. 3, we're gonna wear a shirt finally. 1 through 5. We could just do it on this one actually. 1 through 5, which kind of shirt? 4. A short sleeve shirt. And then how are we gonna wear our hair? 1 through 16. That landed on 9. We're gonna wear it half up. Okay, so then we have a short sleeve shirt. 1 through 20, which short sleeve shirt we're gonna wear. 5. 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, that's gonna be a cute but kind of basic outfit, that's fine. And then should we add a jacket? 1 for 2, or 1 for yes and 2 for no. 5, 3, 4, 2. No, we should not wear a jacket. Okay, no jacket. Which bag are we going to wear? 1 through 10. 13, 18, 4. Our pink Dior bag. And then what shoes are we gonna wear? 1 through 20. 20, we're gonna wear black Adidas. Okay. All right, let's go get the last one on. Have our denim skirt, which is right here. And then a short sleeve shirt, we'll get to that. 3. My hair's gonna be half up. I'm just gonna grab this white scrunchie. No Angel shirt. That is the shirt. Pink Dior bag. And my black Adidas. Okay, I'm gonna get that on and I will see you out there. Again, not the worst outfit. I mean, this is cute with this. This is a look. This could be cute maybe if it was like Valentine's Day, you know, the red and pink. Otherwise, I really don't like red and pink together. I mean, ultimately, I think it kind of matches. The scrunchie obviously matches. The only thing ruining this outfit are these sneakers. It's like I wanted to look cute and like, you know, cute. But I also had a long distance to walk. So I wore these shoes. These are my walking shoes. These are what I walk my dog in. And that's how it feels. Maybe this would have been a look in like 2014, 2015 when people were wearing running shoes with everything. But not in 2020, in my opinion. For me, personally. Maybe you like it, that's fine. Not for me. I mean, overall, not the worst outfit that the randomizer could have come up with. That's what we're calling my list of clothes, the randomizer. Not terrible, don't hate it. So that's it. This was like so much fun. The randomness was like what made it fun. I think not having to like plan ahead of time and be like, oh, what am I gonna wear? What's like the theme of the video? Like all that kind of stuff. It was just random, and so it was fun because it was like, oh, I'm just putting on a fashion show in my hallway. I definitely think that the randomizer, my list plus the dice, could have come up with some more interesting outfits. I had a lot more interesting choices on there, but you know, this is what we ended up with. I think it would be fun to try it again and see what I come up with. So let me know down below, either comment or give me a thumbs up to let me know that you want me to do another one of these videos, because I really want to do another one. I actually want to do like 10 more. If you do want to see me do more of these videos, don't forget to subscribe down below so that you don't miss it. Yeah, but even if you don't subscribe, I really appreciate you watching this video. Hopefully you liked it. And if you do subscribe, thank you so much, and I am so excited to experience life with you. All right, thank you all so much again for watching. I hope that you have a great rest of your week. It's still September, so I'm still posting twice a week. So I will see you all in my next video on Saturday. Bye.